Okay, this is a normal distribution question, probability standard level, and we're definitely going to need a graphic calculator to do this. So we're only given some information that the widgets have a weight normally distributed with a mean of 20 and standard deviation isn't given. And the first question asks us what the probability between 20 minus a half the standard deviation and 20 plus 1 standard deviation away from the mean will be. Now, with all standard deviation questions, I really encourage people to draw a diagram. Mine's a bit shaky. But here's our normal distribution, and in the middle is 20. That's the mean. Now, 1 standard deviation away this side is 20 plus the sigma, and half a standard deviation away the other side is 20 minus a half of sigma, and I want this probability. Now, I can't just put it into my calculator using the 20 because I don't know the standard deviation. So I'm going to think about standardizing this. When I standardize this, it's 0. When I standardize this, I'm 1 standard deviation away from the mean. When I standardize this, I'm a half standard deviation away from the mean. Now these values are standardized. So I'm going to jump and get my calculator now. Here's my calculator. And I'm going to go to the menu. Number 2. I'm going to go to distribution, normal. Now NCD is when I want an area. And I want to go to variable and go down. My lower value is negative 0.5. My upper value, 1. This is the important bit. The sigma, the variance is 1 because it's standardized, and the mean is 0. So using those values, I get 0.533. 0.533. So let's just try and minimize that. Let's get that first answer into here, 0.533. It's a little decimal point there. Okay. Now, the probability that the weight of a widget will be greater than 23 grams is, and it gives you the probability, show that sigma equals 1.5. So once again, I'm going to draw a diagram. And here we've got 20. And here we've got 23. This probability, this area, is now given by 0.0225. Now I've got to think how I arrived at this calculation. What I did was I did 23 minus 20 divided by sigma, and I got, now I didn't get this number, what I got is a Z number that's attached to that. So I'm now going to go and work out the Z number that's attached to that. So once again, I'm going to go back to get my calculator, but this time I'm going to go to distribution, normal, and go to the inverse normal. Tail, that's my area, it's actually on the right. The area I was given as 0.02275. My mean and my variance or standard deviation, I'm going to leave like that. I'm going to use the standardized versions again. And it gives me the inverse area as 2. So I now know that my inverse area is 2. That's the Z value, rather, is 2. So if we look at this calculation, we're doing 3 over sigma equals 2, or sigma equals 3 divided by 2, 1.5. Okay, I'm going to pause there and we're going to carry on with the rest of the part in a second video.